guys, what's up and welcome back to Monopoly. And today we are going to I am going to show you some hacks in Bloxburg. If you do have Bloxburg, these might be handy and some are just for fun and some are just funny. So yeah. So basically I'm already holding the first hack. So basically you want to make a 3-block wall. You want to make a 3-block wall and then sorry about that guys. So basically um you want to make a 3-block wall over here that I did. Like 1, 2, 3. That's a 3-block wall, and then you want to get this table and get a basic candy bowl or whatever candy bowl you would like. And then you have to take the Chewy Bubbles candy which I already have, and then you would have to press eat in the bottom like that. Eat, and then wait for the bubble to come. Oh, there was no bubble, so if there's no bubble, this hack will not work. So you have to keep getting the Chewy Bubbles until that happens. Nope, no bubble. Just make sure to, okay, I ate it. And then, oh wait, this one is not working. It might take a few tries to do this. Go. Oh my god, this is so hard. It has to take so many tries to do this hack. Oh, that probably did not have a bubble. Okay guys, I'm really bad at this hack, so like, I have to see if there's a bubble. Okay, go. And I just walked through that wall, guys. Did you not see that? If you did not see, I can just experiment it again. Go. Oh, wait. It sometimes doesn't work when it's a small bubble. It mostly works when it's a big bubble. Like that one, but sometimes if you're not facing straight, it does not work. Nope. If it does not have a bubble, it will not work. Nope. No bubble. Again. Okay. That's a big bubble. And I just walked through the wall. You guys had to see that. And if you want to break into houses, this is the funny hack. If you wanted to break into houses like mine, I'll just eat that up. Go. Oh. Sometimes it does not work, but most of the time it does. So like, let me experiment this. Okay, it does not work a lot. It has to take many tries to do this. So you might want to get a lot. So okay, you just want to get. Okay. Okay, sometimes it does not work. It just leaves you hanging on the wall. Sometimes it may take a lot and a lot and a lot of tries. That one didn't have a bubble, so I cannot experiment it right now, but as you can see, it did work. So the next hack, it really does not include any materials, so you don't have to go and build mode for this. So all you need to do, and you're probably wondering how my thing is not blue and it's a different color. That's because I did it. So basically what you need to do, go to settings, press options. Oh, I have to do this. This will pop up on options. It says primary color. This and this will pop up. You would have this color, but you can always change it. So basically, what you can have these are the options, but you can also have your own color. If you want, you have to use an RGB code. How I got this one is I searched up on Google RGB in all caps. The RGB code, and then you have to search up RGB colors, and you have to write RGB in like all caps because it says here, and then you have to wait. And yeah, so I got this color by finding the RGB code, and I really liked it. So if you like this color that I'm here, you can copy this code on your Bloxburg, and it's called 216-183-183, and you can also do that. So that was another hack, and another hack is if you go on build mode, you can make a really cute bed for yourself. So just like this, the ingredients are basically so you have to go on what is it called? Decorate, yes, decorate, and you can you will go on all, and you have to spell arch, and then this will pop up. But I do not have enough money for this arch, so I'm just gonna like test it out on this one. So basically, you take an arch, put it here, and get a bed. Do not get a canopy bed. Just get this bed or whatever bed, a single bed only, and put it like inside the arch, not that in like this much. And then you will have your own like shelter bed, and you color it whatever color you want, favorite colors, whatever you want. So, oh my god, sorry about that. Okay, so the next hack is like if you're going to build in vehicles, you can see all the V-Bucks cards. And the good thing about this is because if you have a V-Bucks card like I have right here, and you accidentally delete it, it goes in your inventory because every single thing that is V-Bucks goes in your inventory. So that's another good thing. Another hack is that what is it? So if you go on build or decorate, I'm gonna go on decorate because I love decorating. Um, if you see this arrow, press the up arrow and it will bring you like so up. And if you press on all, and if you want to find something and you press the arrow, you press the arrow over here, the up arrow, and drag it. You have to drag it, not like click it, because that will take centuries. So if you drag it, you can actually see every single thing, and you can just scroll down if you're an all person and don't like search for things. And then you can drag it down by simply doing that drag button like that. So that's another hack, and it also works on build. As you can see here, it goes like all the way up. And also, if you go on all, of course, you can drag it all up, and it will show everything. And it also works on inventory, guys. Inventory. You can, if you have a lot of stuff in your inventory, it works. So, yeah, those are basically all the hacks that I have right now. But next video, if you want to know. So guys, I will be ending the video here. If you liked it, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. So you never miss a awesome video like this one. And also, my next video might be to rob people's house with that bubblegum hack. So yeah, so I'll come back with another video. Goodbye.